Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you my favorite double buns hair combo, especially for short hair in Dress to Impress. So this look is perfect for you when you want something sweet, edgy and full of volume without the extra length. So let's just get started to make this look. So in here, first you're going to add this hairs right here, choose the color that you preferred, and now this short hair, curly short hair, and this one, this wavy short hair, and last one for the double buns, I'm going to use this hairs right here. You can use the color that you prefer, and then here change the position on Z to around 42 to 44. And here toggle it into type 2. So this will be the final look for the double buns. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.